What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ngasidi ay kanogi Boris kangi ko Boris akhoi Manipur gi rapper is mogi studio da isaluge aduga aigi theme song ama hip hop ta semaga haitare na aigi ai yam pame music se hip hop music yam pame do aigi kano da semaga tongana semaga aigi channel gi su oinaba aduga video oina toroga kano da thabasu yai icon hairaga details ti adu saktoisina khoiki Blademist noi khamani ai ulage adum video da horen Blademist ta sakani aduga hopefully magic crash tawani moi mi khar leongani na magic crash tawke chasilo rewind studio wa mai
Yeah, one time, yeah. You know I gotta go in on this one. You know how I do it though. You already know. I've been feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal. I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just what I wanted. Now I gotta go and get it, and I'm never looking back. Only looking where I'm headed, and I doubted for a minute, trying to get another win. I burned a lot of bridges, but I know that I can swim. I don't need nobody else. People trying to take my credit, I can do it by myself, cause I got it all embedded in my mind. I'm a psycho, trying to get it right though, trying to save my time. I've been feeling like I'm Geico, balling in my prime. I've been feeling like I'm Michael, trying to get another comma, but it ain't a typo. Know that
Hey yo, it's me, Young God, from the Poetic Revolution, yeah. मेरे आंखों में की सपने न रास मेरे अपने करता हूँ सीधी बातें तभी है कठिन रास्ते अनजान में अकेला चला खुद से दूर मजबूर मेरे कंधे लौंडे लेते हैं फायदे शिकायतें न करूँ फाड़ू अपने ही जोन में बंदे सारे क्लोन है जुबान से ये झूठे वेबसाइट का हूँ राजा लेके अपनी अंदाज में सांस में हिप हॉप नॉन स्टॉप बजे ये गाने मेरे बंदे सारे कूनी ड्रॉप करूँ ये जो बार्स में करवी जुबान और बेखौफ सी ये नजर नॉर्थ ईस्ट के दो लौंडे उगले आग हर एक वर्स में इम्फाल सिटी का पे बजे अपने ही गाने रैपर्स बदनाम इन्हें चाहिए बखाने फेम गेम सारी ये खेले बेचे अपनी जुबान ना कोई लेबल्स ना कोई साथ इंडिपेंडेंट मेरे बात चले साथ ये अवाम यंगर तभी ये नाम my city my vibes northeast on the rise yeah the country headed bodies down the started from the past representing Manipur hard bars gonna blast revolution on the veins lost sleeps those streets where mother stood up for the sake of the peace memories got ripped got my homeboys to speak my city under chat living in the dead trap क्यों नाराज है ये बंदे मारे चूड़ी हर कदम पे ay shout out to my bros here Blademist, Boris Bob, Daya, Guts and my brother over here peace out bro
yo Manipur about to blow up man
it's little Guts here for you
yo
okay
we follow on the top LILGUTG
Caller 1, 2, and 3, I got cash for some G. Sit to the top of the church, Billy Jean. This is my shit, do you fucking read me? Feelings, emotions, bad intention kills me. Cause some pretty ladies hadn't suck my sweet cock. Grab a condom from my pocket while we lock it. Lot of girls cheating on me, I was so shocked. Cheaters gon' cheat, but I don't give a fuck. I'm in this game, I got a name and once I'm famous, it ain't the same. I feel it great, I dedicate my life and rap, appreciate it hot. Have to kill a shot, gotta do my part to rise to the top. Cock so hard like diamond, so rope like salmon. Titties so huge, but squeeze them like lemons. Feeling so cool, but them niggas a little coolin'. Now mouths, they need dipping. Okay, that's all I got, man. That's all I fucking got. I can't freestyle for shit, man.
That's good, keeping it up man woo!
it's good
Appreciate you man
I'm done
great
I want you to write your name in the face of just like you said Bunny right
funny yeah
wait Bunny the ace of heart
okay
so now this is the only card with your signature once put it inside the tape like this if I snap it jumps back on the top like this
shit
there's only one card right with your side
Damn, bro.
One more time. One last time. Yeah. This is going to go right away. Here. Maybe here.
Okay, yeah.
Push it.
Alright.
Snap. Jumps on top. Here.
What the fuck?
Okay. We'll do one more.
Damn.
This time I will.
This is
Are you
hard.
okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
This time I want you to pick a card in your mind only.
Okay, yeah.
So I'll refer like this, and you have to see one card.
Okay,
Only one,
sure.
not this one.
Okay, no,
This one is
no.
obvious.
Alright.
Okay. Got one?
Yeah.
You got one.
Mm-hmm.
Again, it's a red card.
Yeah.
It's a red card.
It's a red card.
Okay, you want me to find it, or you want to find it yourself?
Okay, you do it.
I'll do it. Okay.
You do it.
Say stop.
Okay, stop.
Here. Perfect.
No, bro, you're
Is
crazy,
that your
man.
card? Is that your
Yeah,
card?
it's this one, man. Damn, bro. Damn, this is hard, bro. This is hard. I appreciate it. This is hard, man.
You want to see one more?
Okay, yeah, let's do it. That's one.
Last trick. Last trick of the day. Oh, okay. Okay. This time you have the pen, right?
Yeah, I got the pen. Yeah.
See, here's the thing.
Mm.
Even if I didn't see, if you choose one, just take one card. You take one card. I know it's a joker, right?
Yeah,
Show it to camera, it's a joker.
it's a joker.
See. So here's what I want you to do. You have to take the card and don't look at it. Okay, just give it here.
Okay.
When I turn away,
Ah,
you can look at it,
okay.
write your name,
Okay.
and tell me when you're done.
All right. Okay.
Take one card, any card. Don't look at it. Keep it here.
Mm-hmm.
I will turn it around.
Okay.
I'll go here.
Okay. No, it's okay. You can turn it.
Write your name
All
and
right.
call me when you're done.
Okay. Can I do it now?
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'm done.
Give it to me face down like this.
All right.
Okay. Good. Here. Hold your hand. Put the hand on top like this.
All right.
Hold this.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna find your card.
Mm-hmm.
I got two cards. This one is not yours, right?
No.
Okay. Maybe this one. Once. You have your signature on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one. One more. If I make the whole, the rest of the deck disappear, then you will freak out, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You will scream. What? You're still feeling it, right?
Yeah. I'm feeling it.
1, 2, and it's gone.
It's gone.
You're still,
Yeah.
it's gone.
No, it's not. It's there in my hand. It's there in my hand.
It's there.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, and it's gone now.
No, it's there in my hand. I can feel it.
I mean the rest of the cards are gone, but it's not the card you're holding. It's, see, look at it.
No.
So card trick over. Cards are gone.
This is crazy, man. Like,
More than 100 have it later. Just say something about me. What do you feel?
damn, I feel this is hard, bro. You're doing such a great job, man. Like, this card disappears, man. Like, the fuck? I'm freaked out. I'm freaked out.
Let's go.
Okay, we're about to drop a freestyle right now. It's your boy Blademist in the city, man. Yeah. Yo. Yo, got my engineering paper day after, but I'm married to the game, bitch, I read a tapper, yo. So what you wanna talk about when you got your college boy rapping in this place, man, why not, yo? And why not when you got DAYA SHARMA in the house with my brother Boris Bob, shut the fuck, we keep it loud. Keeping it real, I got a Glock in my black, so pull the shit up and push it back, the 90s on the clock. To all the phony rappers, come check my delivery. Better than the Amazon, the type you wanna buy me a ring. One more year and I'll be copping me the ring. For you buzzing rappers tryna give me and my vibes thing. To stop acting like you want this, you opponent this. I don't fuck with nobody, better check with your opponent this. Me and my novice, if you piss in your pants, I finna getting paid to buy you diapers and some pink panties, yo. Yeah, we about to hypnotize your mind. Me and my brother DAYA, we got clipping on the track. Gotta ain't nobody coming up and sucking on my D. Got the killest rhymes, the illest rhymes. Ain't nobody coming up and telling me what I should do and what not. Hey, yo, that's everything I got. Okay, everybody, that's it. Okay, stay tuned. Stay tuned for more production, man. I'll be coming in hot to 2019 is a prime time, you know. Hip hop will be in this town and city. Yeah, man, we're about to rule. What up? Happy New Year, everybody. Peace. Okay, everybody, it's me, Blademist, and we got here our brother DAYA SHARMA, the greatest magician in Imphal. And the one shooting this video is our one and only Boys Bob of Manipur. And yeah, so what I'm about to say is, howzik say koi studio da DAYA gi kino ama sembane theme song hai tare magi OST oi doiba. Ada ama semi bit se sembadi hore line tawre thado for queer but
February tani ko.
February, yeah.
You guys should check him out. I will link
Yeah.
to his channel on the description. Okay.
And wait now, when you got DAYA SHARMA in the house with my brother Boys Bob, shut the fuck, we keep it loud.